I wanted to do this video. By the way, I'm super excited about it because I have beat this virus, and I really want to share with persons all they can, stuff that can help. A lot of persons be in my DM asking me, and it's so funny, since I caught, the virus, there's so many people that I know, or persons that I know somebody who have the virus. All right, so first and foremost, guys, I want you guys to take your vitamins, your Cmos, everything. I need you guys to do that. That is very important. That's vital. I'm gonna boil my stuff that I drink. Still taking and drinking stuff that I need. Because even though they say you have 3 months, you can't catch it back for now. You know what, I'm still boosting that immune system because this is really serious, and I want you guys to pay really attention to what I'm saying, the things that I use, so you guys can definitely beat it. Also, I'll definitely post links of stuff that I don't have, so you guys can get it from Amazon or wherever I purchase mine from. Really important. The first thing, cut the cold juice, cold water, anything cold. Stop eating that. The only thing I was having with a little cold was the fruits, because some of the fruits you have to put them in the fridge. But what I did is I let this fruit sit like 30 minutes to an hour before I eat it. Put it in a plate, and you can just set it right there before you eat it. Another thing, no dairy products, no milk, please, no milk, no cheese, none of that. That produce mucus, and we don't need mucus in if we have the virus. Please drink a lot of water. You will be dehydrated. Drink a lot of water. Get your Gatorade. If you have kids and they have it, you can do the Pedialyte. You can give them Gatorade and lots of fluid water. The kids them have the elderberries. My kids take elderberries, zinc, and vitamin D. I'll show it to you guys, and I'll link all the links to all of that from Amazon in the description, where you can purchase stuff from my storefront. You can also do the emergency chewies or the vitamin C powder, which is 5,000 mg. Really good, but it's sour, so you can use that in anything that you're drinking. I have the picture right here, so I'll show you guys this one. So this is the powder. I get this from Amazon also. You can have this because you can keep it to put in anything. This is emergency chewy, so it's vitamin C. You can buy the pack one where you don't have to use the chewy, and you can do that. This right here is golden. I did blend up everything. In this bottle right here, we have purple onions, lots of garlic, lemon, orange skin, turmeric, that's why it's so yellow, ginger, garlic, like I said before, and am I missing anything? What else? So I did blend up all of this. I still do have it. It's in an Ovaltine bottle. Let me smell. Still smells good. You can get a glass bottle. So you need a glass bottle because everything stays pure in that. So I still have this, and I put this on a spoon and put some honey on it, and I'll drink it. Alright guys, so the Cmos, Irish moss, the superfood from the sea, contains over 92 minerals and nutrients, sustainable, harvest and sun dry, 100% natural, no GMO or preservative free, had to smoothies, drinks and more, which is like tea and stuff. These statements have been evaluated by the FDA, so this is really good. And this is it right here. So this is it. I keep it in the fridge in this container. And this one I have it. See, this is how it should look. And then you use a spoon. Let me see if I can find a spoon. You can use a spoon like this, and you put it in your drinks or your tea. It does not have any taste, So don't worry. So once you wash it, if it's too thick when you're blending it, you can add some more drinking water. Whatever you're doing, you have to use drinking water, water that you drink, whether it's in the bottle or it's from the fridge. So this is my Cmos right here. You can drink this too. This is like an everyday thingy, so that's what's up. I'm going to blend all of these right here. We are going to blend this, and not blend, but I'm gonna boil this. I'm gonna do the turmeric. I have garlic. I have more garlic. I have 2 lemons. I have an orange, which I'm gonna get the skin from. I'm going to add ginger. We are gonna blend all of these right here. Lots of vitamin C you're looking at, and we're gonna blend this. Keep it on the keep it in a pot, and then we can have that to drink. This is the pot right here, so I'm gonna start boiling this water. I'm gonna have it on this, and then you can store it in the fridge, or you can store it, you know, so you can warm it up and drink it again, drink it as tea. So that's what I'm gonna do. You can get more stuff also, guys. Blend this. Oh, and I'm missing a onion, so I'm gonna put a purple onion on it. I'm gonna chop these up, blend them. Please get all these. Do the same thing that I'm doing. You also can use the key lime, which I have right here. I do have limes, so you can put your lime and your lemon in water and drink it. That's also good. I have another important thing. Okay guys, another thing that is really important, I have these right here written down on my phone. So I did say again, drink warm liquids. Drinks can be at room temperature, which is your water, Gatorade and stuff like that. Onions in the room, yes, you can cut onions and put it in corners of your room or your home, and it just suck up everything till the onion dry. You can change it out. Cut an onion, leave it in your room. Like I said, raw onion is said to have a tendency to absorb the bacteria that is present in the hair. You hear that? When the harmful bacteria is in the air, get reduced, your body will feel and be safer. Use plastic items so you can throw away. So make sure you have on a paper cup, paper plates, all of that. You guys know that wearing your mask is also important. That's like essential. Wear your mask, wash your hands, try to cough in your clothes, whatever. Everything you do, you wash your hands with antibacterial soap. That is important. You know, drink lots of Gatorade. The one thing that I want to say, and this is why I leave it for last before we go to boiling these stuff, is the crystals. Oh my God, guys, you have to do the inhale. That thing relieve everything, whatever back pain when you coughing, you can sleep better. Make sure you're not sleeping on your back. Whoever likes to sleep on their back, please, I'm asking you, that is also important. We don't want our lungs to not function. Please sleep on your belly. Please, 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 when you're tired, you can rest on your side, but please to sleep on your stomach. That is important. You're gonna inhale. If you have eucalyptus oil, you can either use a steamer or you can boil the water. You don't have to just boil the water. What I did in the last couple of days was I boiled the water with the onions, the orange peel, the lemon, all of that, the ginger, so I can inhale all of that. And then I put the eucalyptus oil in it and stuff like that. So you can also do that. That is very important. I leave that right there on the stove. Whenever 3 times a day you need to steam. But you cannot just use water to steam. You need to inhale and get that freshness, you know. So you have to steam. 100% the menthol crystals, okay? I know I said just crystals, but the menthol crystals, you have to get that. You have to have that in your home. I do 2 things with that. It's like $10. The menthol crystal is 100% natural. Inhale, can be put in bottle and you inhale it. So I get a pill bottle like this. Let me see, like something like this. This is for the kids. You can put the menthol in this, right? So it can close. You can use this and you can bring it on the road, inhale it like how you inhale alcohol, or you know, the eucalyptus oil. So you can do that, and then you are going to tip, like in the water that you boil that you're gonna steam, you're gonna tip like 3 of the crystals or 4 in it. It's really strong. Put your head down in that pot if you don't have a steamer like myself, and then you're gonna put a towel over your head and inhale all of that goodness. If you have allergies, this is not just for the virus, it is important. And you still can do it right through the day. If you have stuffy nose, whatever you have, this menthol crystal, it do works. Yes guys, please do that. This is the black elderberries that my kids use. It's on Amazon, really good. They do through 1 a day. I do have some more pills that they take, and then they have their, let me show you guys. So this is their pill containers. I get these in the dollar store. I think Amazon do have them. Amelia, Genic, Cairo. Obviously they did not take 2 for this week, see? So them not take out them pill, therefore they have to refill it. So these, they refill them every week. This is the zinc that they take, plus vitamin C, which I think comes in this box right here. It's on Amazon. I'll post the links. And the Junior D3 that they take. This is a pill. I think this is chewable. Yeah, I think they chew these. Yes, this one you put it under your tongue and you let it dissolve. And then the elderberries, you know that it's gummies. The black elderberries, really good. Since last year when COVID started, I give my kids this every single day. Sometimes them eat 2, but that's what's up. They have their pill containers right here, so they refill everything once they're finished. All right, so I think that is it. We are going to prepare all of these stuff that we're going to boil right now, and we're going to put them in the pot so they can boil. We can have them to drink. And guess what? Oh, if you forget the vervine bush. If you can get the vervine bush, I'm going to show it to you. I still have a little piece. I have to ship piece to my friend. She caught the COVID, so I have to ship off piece actually to her. I'm going to show you the vervine. Get the vervine. Yeah, I'm gonna drink it. Them say man not supposed to drink it. Cushion drink it maybe 2 or 3 times. That's the one he liked. He didn't like the other one. So we are going to boil the vervine now. To be honest, I'm not gonna do the vervine now, but it's just like you boiling it, leaving it, make it draw. You know, you can throw it in a bottle, put it in the fridge, then warm it up and drink it. So the vervine, they say, is also good. We're going to prepare this and we're going to boil it because I'm going to have it to drink, so stay tuned. Alright guys, everything is in the pot now, bubbling. See that? I'm going to leave it for like 5 more minutes, then turn the stove off. 5 to 7 more minutes, turn the stove off and let everything sit right there and just soak in. And then there you go. I personally, after I boil it, I'll wait a couple hours before I drink it, because you know, there's still hot water, everything is still drying. Wow, see that? That's the turmeric giving it the color, the purple onions over there, and stuff like that. I'll show it to you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, this is it. I'm just gonna cover it, let it stay right there. And simmer down. So the onion change, everything is done. You can see it dry because some of the water suck out also, or gone down, however you want to put it. But yeah guys, so let me tell you something. This is a disclaimer. This is what I use, this is how I do it, this is what works for me. You guys can try it. You can add whatever else you want to add, which has lots of or loads of vitamin C. Make sure, oh, you can take your D3 and your zinc. Make sure you're taking your D3 and your zinc also. Also, you can get those on Amazon. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have the virus, please have a speedy recovery. Make sure you get the crystals, you inhale it. I tell you, that's very important. Even after COVID, you can still inhale it. Good for people with like sinus problem, your nose that burn you, just clear the airway. So big up on yourself. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Until I'm back, God is love. You see how my hand full of turmeric? Oh my God, my nails didn't spoil.